Welcome back, friends. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make a dynamic yearly calendar in Microsoft Excel. By changing the year, the whole calendar will automatically update. Let me make it 2025. The calendar updates. Let's start making this. Let me make here a new sheet. In the B1 cell, type 2024. In the B4 cell, type Sun for Sunday. Use the fill handle to drag it till Saturday. Select the cells above the days and merge them. In the merged cell, write this formula. Press equals, type date function. Open the parentheses. In the year, select B1 cell. Lock it by pressing F4 key in keyboard. Give a comma. In the month, type 1, comma. In the day, type 1. Close parentheses and press enter. Now convert this to month name format. Right-click on the cell, click on Format Cells. Click on Custom. In the format type, remove General and type MMMM. Click on OK. This displayed the month name here. Now, below Sunday, we will use the sequence and weekday function combination to fill the calendar with dates. Sequence function generates the series of date and weekday function identifies the day on which the first date of the month is. Press equals, then type sequence function. Open parentheses. In the rows parameter type 6, comma. In the column parameter, type 7. This is because we need 6 by 7 table for a calendar, comma. In the start parameter, click on the date we created in B3 cell. Now subtract the weekday plus 1 here. Type minus, then type the weekday function, open parentheses. In the serial number parameter, select the date we created in B3 cell. Give a comma. In the return type parameter, select the calendar type. Here we are making the calendar in Sunday through Saturday type. So, double-click on this option number 1. Close the parentheses for weekday function. Now add 1 with it by typing plus 1. Give a comma. For the step parameter of sequence function, type 1. Close parentheses and hit enter. Now the calendar is filled with required dates. These are in number format. Change them to days format. Select the date range. Right-click on mouse. Click on Format Cells. Click on Custom. In the format type, remove the General and type DD. Click on OK. Now the days are displayed. The first date is on Monday and last is on Wednesday. Let's verify this with computer's date. It is working perfectly. Now, make the font color of previous and next month a faded color, so that the current month's dates will be visible clearly. For this, select the date range. Click on Home tab. Conditional formatting. New rule. Click on Use a formula to determine which cell to format. In the formula bar, write this formula. Press equals, type the text function. Open parentheses. Click on B6 cell. Make this cell relative by removing the dollar symbols. This you can do by pressing the F4 key 3 times. Comma. Double quotation. M. Double quotation. Close parentheses. Type not equal to symbol given by less than and greater than symbol together. Again type the text function. Open parentheses. Click on the B3 cell. Do not remove dollar symbols here. Comma. Double quotation, M. Double quotation. Close parentheses. Click on Format button. Click on Font tab. In the font color, select a faded color. Click on OK. Again, click on OK. Now the dates of current month are clearly identifiable. Now do some formatting in the calendar. Calendar of first month is ready. Now, You just need to copy and paste it for other months and do some minor modifications. Let me copy this. Paste it here. Click on the month name. In the formula bar, change the month to 2 for February. Now, select the date range. Click on Conditional Formatting. Manage Rules. Double-click on the rule. Now, change the month name cell reference here in the formula, which should be J3 for February. Click on OK, Apply and OK. February month calendar is ready. Repeat the same steps for rest of all months.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I seek what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Now, add calendar with this year by using custom cell format. For this, right-click on this cell, click on Format Cells. Click on Custom. In the format type, remove the general and type here hashtag, space, double quotation, calendar, double quotation. Click on OK. Select B1 to X1 cell and merge them. Calendar is added with the year. Increase the font size. Now, if you change the year here, calendar will auto-update. Let's make 2025. Calendar automatically updates. Here, you can make the holiday text red colored. So, this is how we make yearly calendar in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. See you on next video tutorial.